222, you guys are okay over there?
Morning.
How can I help you, sir?
Gonzalez, I need your driver's license and your insurance card, please.
Is there a problem I can help you with?
Yes, sir. I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
Do you need some assistance?
Excuse me?
Do you need some assistance with something?
No, you're being stopped.
For what crime, sir?
For your registration being expired.
Is that a crime, sir?
Excuse me?
Is that a crime?
No, it's a violation. It's a violation of the traffic code, sir. At this time, I'm needing to see your driver's license and your insurance card.
I'm not driving.
Okay. You were when I observed you, sir.
No, I was traveling, sir.
Okay. I understand that.
I'm traveling. I'm a lawful traveler.
I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
Well, for the record, I'm not driving.
You are currently correct.
I'm not in the commercial. I'm not in a commercial capacity, sir.
Sir, what is your name?
Am I being detained for a crime, sir?
You're being detained for a traffic violation, sir.
Did somebody report me for something?
Sir, I observed the violation, sir.
Is there a damaged property, sir?
Sir, right now you're being detained. And by the Texas code, you are obligated to identify yourself. Okay, I asked for your driver's license. Apparently you're not giving it to me, so I'm asking for your name and your date of birth.
What's your name and date of birth?
Excuse me?
What's your name and date of birth?
My name is Officer Gonzalez.
Officer Gonzalez, where do you work for?
Okay, sir, I need to see your driver's license and your insurance card, or I need you to provide me your name and your date of birth.
Officer, I informed you I'm not driving.
Okay, and I told you were correct. You are currently stopped.
I'm traveling.
You were observed traveling down the roadway.
Traveling.
And I observed a violation of the traffic code.
Did you know driving is a technical term, sir?
Okay, that is correct, sir.
It's a legal term.
You were traveling down the roadway.
It's a legal term.
You were traveling down the roadway, and you were observed with a traffic violation.
Well, driving is a commercial capacity, sir. I do not.
Right now, you are being detained for a traffic violation. Being detained, you are obligated to identify yourself. I've asked you for your driver's license. You are not providing it to me. I am now asking you for your name and your date of birth.
I don't mean to upset you at all, officer. I'm just having a conversation with you.
I understand that, sir, and I'm trying to obtain some information so we can both be done and go about our way.
Correct. Yeah, I would like to do this honorably, sir.
Okay.
And honorably.
Could you possibly roll down your window for me?
This is as far as it goes down, sir.
All right, then bear with me a second. Let me take off my helmet, okay, because I can barely hear you.
Okay, that's fine, sir.
If you would please get your information so we could get done with this, it'd be great.
Yeah, we're working on that, sir. I mean, I just want to do this. I don't want to be in dishonor, because I don't want to tell you I'm driving when I'm not.
Okay.
And
like you said, driving is a technical term.
For a commercial capacity, sir.
Okay, and I understand you're in transit. I understand all of that.
Well, I'm an individual traveling to a destination. I have no goods or services for hire. Okay, I understand. I have no passengers for hire. And so I'm not driving right now. Okay. I'm traveling.
You were traveling on the roadway when I observed the violation of the Texas traffic code.
Well, right. Traffic code goes for drivers who are in a commercial capacity.
Anybody who's operating a vehicle, which you were operating.
But I'm not an operator right now, sir.
You were operating a vehicle. You were traveling down the roadway. Okay, sir, I need to see your identification, or I need you to provide me your
if I could.
Let me go put my helmet down.
Sure. If you'd give me I don't know, 90 seconds, I could prove to you that I'm an individual, not a corporation.
Okay, I understand, but as an individual, again, like I told you, you've been detained.
Oh, I know, sir. For a code.
What is your name, sir?
For a code. If I've committed a crime.
Is this your vehicle?
I own this conveyance.
Okay, so it's registered to you.
Yeah, I own it.
Okay.
I own the conveyance.
What is your name?
Well,
you asked me my name. I provided that to you.
My name is Lehman of the Clan Lehman.
Lehman?
Lehman of the Clan Lehman.
Of the clan?
Clan Lehman, yes.
Clanly?
Clan.
Clan.
Clan, like a community.
Okay, so you're a Lehman of the clan.
No, not the clan, but a clan.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, Lehman of the yeah.
Okay. And that is the name on your birth certificate.
Well, that's a little different there, because
I was going to write you a check for $1 million. What name would you want on that? What would you need to identify yourself to?
Well, on the birth certificate, that's not my name on my birth certificate because I didn't give that to myself.
What is the name on your birth certificate?
That was given to me. It's not my name.
Okay, sir. You understand that aside of the reason for the stop, you are now being detained for that reason. Okay.
I know, but
and while you're being detained, you are obligated. When an officer asks you for your name, asks you for your identification, you are obligated to identify yourself.
If I'm being detained for a crime.
Okay.
A crime would be...
Failure to identify yourself is a crime in and of itself.
No, it's actually not.
It is, because you're being detained for a traffic offense. So I'm lawfully detaining you.
If I was in commercial capacity.
I'm not going to sit here and argue all day.
No, I don't want to argue. Can I?
The next thing is for me to remove you from the vehicle and identify you.
Well, that would be very bad for everybody.
Yes, it would.
And
we're trying to handle this as civilly as possible.
So there's no indicator when you pulled me over that this would be bad for everybody.
Well, because initially it's not.
No, I mean as far as the red dot goes.
Sir? As far as what?
Yeah, the term, the red dot.
I'm sorry.
You don't know that term?
I didn't hear you.
The red dot?
The red dot?
Yeah.
No, I'm not familiar with that term.
Okay. Well, look, I don't want this to escalate anything where everyone's upset and, you know, we're breaking more laws and there's court cases and whatnot. So, if you're adamant about forcing me to present to you a driver's license, when I am not driving, I will present that to you, sir.
Well, I'd like you to present me your driver's license. The other option was for you to provide me your name and your date of birth.
Well, I'll present to you whichever you want. Which one do you want?
Okay. I'd like to see the driver's license. It's easier. I can scan it and it saves us both.
Now, as long as you acknowledge that I have told you I'm not driving.
Okay. Then, like we agreed, driving is a technical term. You were in transit when I observed the violation.
Yeah, I'm not. Okay. There's no goods and services for hire here. And you acknowledge that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. I only present this because it's become an issue. Officer, again, I'm letting you know this is, if I was in a commercial capacity, this is what I would use this for. But again, I'm not in a commercial capacity.
Cancel anybody else. So, when people speak to you, do they call you Lehman, or do they call you Darren, or do they call you Ryan?
It just depends. Everyone kind of calls me something different.
How would you like me to acknowledge you, sir?
You could call me. You could call me King Lehman.
King Lehman?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Lehman, you still live on 23rd Street?
You can use that address, yes.
Sir, do you work for a company? Are you self-employed?
Right now I'm self-employed.
Okay. You have a contact phone number?
Sure, you can use 512-696-9656.
9656?
Yes.
Fret not, they're just bored. It's lunchtime, actually.
Yeah, I know. You guys are doing your jobs.
Now, is the window broken, or you just don't want to roll it down all the way?
It just doesn't go down much further.
Okay. By choice or by mechanical failure?
Little both.
Okay. All right, Mr. Lehman, what's going to happen is you're going to receive a citation for the expired registration. Would you like to sign for it, or you want me to just put refused on there?
Yeah, I would not like to sign that.
You don't want to sign for it? No. Okay, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write refused right on there, okay?
Okay.
Give me just a second. I'll be right back with your copy of the citation.
Right.
Okay, sir, here's your copy of the citation. The due date on it is going to be right here in bold.
Right.
It's going to be November 25th. The municipal court information is just below your signature. Just contact the court on or before the due date, okay?
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Okay. We're good.
All right.
All right.
Thank you much.
Drive safe.
He was arrested at 801.